I cannot organise myself and manage time to save my life. I'm getting better with age, but as everyone will know with FASD, we're all mentally a few years behind what our actual, physical age is. So it takes the right community of people. It takes a village to raise a child. And to be honest, you need an outside brain. You need a PA. That's what I find. Um, my mum acts as my PA on set and for any jobs. So she'll help me organise. She'll basically be like, I'll give her the times and the dates, and she'll organise my travel and when I need to be there, and tell me when to organise my makeup kit, and give me the money for the food, and tell me where to get the food, or what time to get food.